What's up, everybody? So Corey here. We are at the WRX. We just got it back from the dealership today, and we're gonna go ahead and change this stock spoiler out, this little tiny little thing. Try to get a better look at it. It's pretty small, pretty minute. We're gonna change it out for a 3AMOTOR DuckBill spoiler. So let's get in here. The first thing you got to do, obviously, is pop the trunk, and then we got some clips to pull out. So all of these little clips, as they fall out, they're pretty easy. You can pull them out with your fingers. Looks like there's a total of 8 of them. And then, 9 of them. 9 of them. Forgot about the center one. Oh, no. That's number 8. So you got 1 here, 1 here, 2 over here, and then 4 along the back. Now, from what I understand, I've yet to do this, but from what I understand, there are 2 8mm bolts in there. And it looks like we got this one right here. Try to get you guys in there with me. You can't really see it very well from the camera. Let's go ahead. So up in here, there's an 8mm there. And then over on this side, there's another one. And then I believe that blue plug, wherever it is, can't really see it with the camera. There's a blue plug in there that'll just kind of pop right out as well. So let's pull these out and see if we can't get this old spoiler off. And yep, 8mm fits right on it. You know, it's supposed to be right. How do you left it loose? Jeez Louise. This is one of those things that would be much easier if you had power tools. So you got them, use them. Alright, second one's out. Now, let's see if we can actually remove the spoiler. Feels like at this point it's just tape holding it on. There we go. You've got little plastic clips, pop right out. Little body clips. But if you want to reinstall it, it's not really focusing. But if you want to reinstall these, just slide them right back into place, pop it back on the car. Now, before you install the new one, you're going to want to get that all cleaned off. Ooh, that is dirty. This is just water. Go over it with water, and then I'll do it again with alcohol. Just 91% isopropyl alcohol. Got it at Walmart at like $4 a bottle. And that's just to get all the additional impurities off. Anything that was left shall be removed. You may have to scrub in some places. That's fine. Just make sure it's nice and clean. Nothing is better than having a fresh, clean workplace. I say that with my car incredibly dirty. It does come with 3M tape and some hardware for it. Let's go ahead and move the camera so you can see what I'm seeing. A little bit nicer, a little bit bigger than the stock one. So let's go ahead and see about getting this bad boy installed. So with this 3M tape, you're going to want to run one strand along the top here, one along this side, anything that does fall I will be cleaning up, don't worry, I'm a good boy. Alright. Oh no, it's too long. Alright, so I'm back, got scissors. The camera may die, so just be aware of that. Let's go ahead and run the second line. It's going to make this a lot easier. Bam! Alright, so we'll run the second line of tape. Get open a little badge hump. Okay, so phone battery died. So here we are. We're back at it. As you can see, old spoilers off. So let's do a comparison real quick. This is the old one. Not bad. Looks fine. This is the new one. Personally, I think the new one looks much better. All we have to do now is get these holes lined up and mount the sucker. Now, pro tip. Don't pull the tape completely off. When you're doing this, if you pull the tape completely off and you mount it in the wrong spot, it's going to be like, it's not something that can't be fixed, but it's definitely going to be a pain. So, pull off a little bit down here. A little bit over here. Make sure that the tape is out. That way you can grab it once you have the holes lined up. Oh, I should have just done that to begin with. Alright, well, works way better if you just do it by hand. The one in the middle, though, is the one that I can expect to be a pain. Yeah. Got it. All right. Now here's the trick. Now that you've got them all in there, not really tightened down, but actually in there, now you pull the tape off. Because now if it sticks, it doesn't matter. Get them nice and tight. And then you work backwards, putting all the pins and everything back in. Well, let's look at it. And in my opinion, it just looks way better. Way, way, way better than it did before. So let's finish putting the top in. There we go. Just gotta wiggle it a little bit and it'll pop into place. So anyways, that's it. Let me know what y'all think. I'll put the link in the description for the spoiler. I think it cost me $160 if I remember correctly, $165. And it was here within just a few days. I mean, it's Amazon. If you got Prime, they deliver pretty quick. It's just a cheap, easy to install, easy to use cosmetic spoiler until I can get my hands on an STI trunk lid and spoiler, which is going to run either a straight across trade or around $1,000. I think it looks pretty damn good if I do say so myself. Cheers, y'all. Have a good night. Next time we'll be doing the front lip or the third brake light. I'm not sure which one yet. Peace.